Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about footprinting and reconnaissance. What is footprinting? Footprinting is a stage of information gathering. In this stage, we are collect information about the target. Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how to collect your target LinkedIn profiles. Think your target is a company. If you want to collect their LinkedIn profiles and as well as their email IDs, we have a tool called the harvester. Using of that tool, we can crawl the information. How to do that? Nothing to worry, I'll show you. So open your browser and here search for Ramji Ventakota space GitHub. So in my GitHub profile, I have that file. So open it and so go to repositories. There we have the harvester. Okay, click on this link. So this is the file. I need to download this file into my Kali Linux. How to do that? Just click on code, copy the path. So if you want to copy paste, so in Linux, we need to do some changes. So here we have devices option. Click on devices. Here we have shared clipboard. We need to change it as bridged. Maybe from your side it's disabled. You need to set it as bidirectional. And same as well as drag and drop. Change to bidirectional. If it is done, then copy the code again, open your Kali, and here we need to download. How to download? So I want to save the tool in desktop location. First change to desktop location. CD space desktop, enter. Now I'm in desktop location. How to check? PWD. Okay. So if you want to download any files from GitHub, so we have an option called, we have a command called git. We just clone it. Git clone, paste. So maybe I'm showing shortcuts. Just type git clone, right click, paste the clipboard. It will paste the link. Okay. If I hit enter, it will start cloning the tool into my Kali Linux. So it's successfully completed 100%. So let me check. See, I got the harvester file. Okay. So I want to enter. CD, the harvester, enter. See, I am entered into the harvester. If you want to check how many files are there in the harvester, type ls. Yeah, these are the files I have. So using of these files, I can execute the tool. So it is built in Python language. Okay, so currently I don't have any idea about that. So I'll show you how to install the harvester. So here we have requirements.txt, right? So if you want to run this file, it requires then some dependencies. So if you want to install the dependencies, so those details are present in this requirement.txt. So as of now, it is a normal text file. I want to give this file to executable permissions. Then only it will execute. It will install all the dependency packages. Okay. How to give the permissions? Type chmod plus x. If you give plus x, it will give executable permissions. Okay. So which file I want to give? Requirements.txt. Enter. Now check. Previously it is in white color. Now it is in green color because I added executable permissions to this file. Okay, we added executable permissions. Then how to execute? This is Python file. We need to take pip3 to install the requirements.txt file. So pip3 -r requirement.txt. Oh, I forgot to give install. So we need to install, right? So we need to give install. So pip3 install -r requirements.txt. Now it will install all the dependency packages. See, it's downloading. It's downloaded all the dependencies. Forget about this error. It's a code error and I need to change that. So anyway, all the dependencies are installed. Now we need to run the tool. So here we have the tool, right? But it is also normal file. I need to give executable permissions to run. So how to give executable permissions? chmod plus x the harvester dot py. Enter. See, executable permissions are added to the harvester dot py. Now the final step, we need to run the tool. So it's a Python file. We need to run it as run with Python. Python 3 the harvester dot py. That's it. If you click enter, it will run the tool. And see, it's giving banner, the harvester, and it's giving some use cases. So options it's giving how to use. Anyway, if you want to see official help manual, if you can type -help. Enter. It will give detailed help manual. Okay. Here we have options. -d we use for mention domain. -l to set the list limit. And what else we have? I can give -b to set a source. So here we have Google and LinkedIn. See, LinkedIn we have. So using of these sources, I'm going to crawl the information. Here we have Google also. So let me take these two options. First, I'll collect LinkedIn profiles, then I'll collect Google Gmails. Okay, let me do that. How to do that? So Python 3, the harvester. First, I give -d to mention the domain. So here I'm taking my company details like ER segment, segment.com. This is my company website. And here I'm giving limit 100 results I want to get. And what else I'll give? I'll give -b source. First give me LinkedIn. Enter. Now my tool is started. See, my target is ersegment.com. So it will crawl all ER segment related profiles. See, these are all LinkedIn profiles. Hundred users found. So Abdul Wasi, he is an intern of ER Segment Private Limited, and Aditya Hegde, he is associate consultant, and so Akhil Reddy, we have Akhil Reddy, senior security consultant. So like that, and here we have Karthik Reddy. So like that, if you want to crawl any company employees or related like company employees, sorry, yeah. If you want to get anyone, if you want to get any company you employees LinkedIn profiles using of the tool, you can crawl. So no IPs found, no emails found, no host found. Now I'll show you how to identify emails using of the harvester. Okay. So here I just changed source. Here I give Google. If I click enter, it will crawl the emails. It will take some time. See, it crawled 2 emails. admin@drsegments.com, support@drsegment.com. And also it's identified the domain and IPs. So like that, we can crawl the emails and LinkedIn profiles using of the harvester tool. We have many tools present online. Using of that tools, we can perform information gathering. That thing we call it as footprinting and reconnaissance. I hope it's clear. And this is all for this video. I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, bye-bye.